guys, welcome to the vlog. So today we are going to the Bible Museum, which has a whole bunch of artifacts from the Bible times, and then we are going to check out of our RV campground and then head out to our night. And actually yesterday it was really cool. So we went to lunch at Bourbon Beers and Burgers, and we went to Starbucks while we were waiting for our table, and I figured out something really cool with the Apple Watch. So you might already know this, but if you go into the Apple Watch app, you could change the layout of your apps, and I made mine into a heart. It is kind of difficult because they move around a lot, but mine are pretty much color-coded, and I'm really excited that I was able to make it to a heart. I tried it before and it didn't work, but this time, it did. Our last time getting off the metro.
This is a Green Line train to Springfield. The next and last stop.
Hey guys, good morning. So we just got back from Walmart. Good morning, y'all. So we got back from Walmart and I got a few things I wanted to show you. One, I'm in the truck. Two, this is just normally where I am. Anyway, everything just fell out of the bag. Okay, so the first thing we got from Walmart was sandpaper. This is a very fine sandpaper. It's actually like a finishing sandpaper, but it's super fine. It'll work for the project that I'm gonna do. Next, we already have this, but I figured it'll help out with the question. It's a mason jar. Oh, I forgot. When I was planning this DIY, I just thought of it as a mason jar, but I kind of forgot about the lid. But you know, it'll all work out. What we got was sponge brushes. Okay, I don't care how dirty a Walmart could be or anything that people don't like about Walmart. Like, their prices are good compared to, like, I don't know, I guess Michael's is kind of cheap too. But, like, compared to Target or anything, Walmart does have better prices. Like, some of their stuff is less quality, so I do go to Target for that stuff, but like Walmart's got it pretty good. So these were 90 cents for like a pack of really good brushes. I mean, obviously they're not like $10 quality, but they're still really nice. They're very lightweight. I haven't used them yet, but I'm assuming they'll do the job. They look exactly like any other sponge brush I've bought. Next, I got fish food because if you don't know, I had story time real quick. So I had I had 6 fish, and one I had a sucker fish. It was a spaz. Didn't do anything. And I had a 10-gallon tank at home, and then I had 4 guppies. They were all babies. So yeah, when we were in Branson, Missouri, they kind of like got really cold. So I had 3 guppies die, and then I had my suckerfish die. Actually, at that time it was only 2 guppies and a suckerfish because the week before, one of them just like, they're all just fine, but one of them just like died out of nowhere, which there probably was a reason, but I don't know the reason. So I, a few years ago, got a betta fish, and I've raised it from a baby to now. So that one lived, actually my dad had to do like CPR on it or something. We've done it before if you haven't noticed. So yeah, we had 4 fish die. So now I have 1 guppy that was already fully grown when I bought it, and then my betta fish. And they're alive. They're still doing good. Anyway, enough with the fish stuff because, I don't know. Fish or fish. I also got paint. I got teal paint because my room is like pastel teal stuff. I'm gonna redecorate it when I get home because I just kind of like want something new, but it's all like travel themed. Favorite color's teal. So I thought, why not get teal paint? And guys, if you go to Michael's, Target, anywhere, these are $1.88. Yeah, these are like $1.88 at Target or Walmart. This was 50 cents. 50 cents on Walmart. So that's what I got from my Target trip. Down below what you guys think I'm going to be making in my next video on my main channel. I also forgot to mention candy. This is just what I came up with in my sleep a few nights ago, and I thought, why not do it? It's gonna be like a room decor thing, and I'll tell you the story behind how I came up with it, or the idea why I want to do this is.
This one's at the bottom of them. What?
We just got to Hershey World and we're doing the chocolate part of the area.
Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate.
They have Reese's peanut butter.
Oh no! Twix must be Mars.
This is what I'm getting.
Milk chocolate peanut butter.
Thank you. Hold down on the lever. Here you go.
Boy, do you want to go in front of yours?
It doesn't shake.
That's right. Very slick. Here's all the way up. I see it right there. What's that?
Yeah,
That's a large chocolate. The vibrator screens are down.
Mine's getting sprinkled.
Which one's ours?
I forget now.
Well, yours is getting sprinkled. Yours is right before mine. Yeah, you got sprinkles.
Well, that was awesome. We got all the goodies from tasting and then doing the Make Your Hershey bar. Mine actually tastes really good. Really. It does put it on.
A sprinkler? Did you get sprinkler?
This is by far the best candy bar I've ever had, so if you haven't tried it, you should try it. Here's the inside. It has the cookie dough bites and then got the good